Let's go check out some birds together. Breathe in and breathe out. Now picture yourself in the middle of like a forest or something with your favorite birds just totally surrounding you. What kind of bird is it? Speaking of birds, I have a very special bird that comes to visit me all the time. You know, it's funny. He would knock on the door as if he was a human. And then he would just try to get our attention. And now he just knocks on the door all the time. And he always, I named him Woody or Woodpecker for a woodpecker. And he knows his name because he'll respond to the name that I called him. I talked to him, and yeah,